Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Class 6 Polity, Chapter 1, Understanding Diversity in very simple and easy words. In this chapter, we will understand what diversity means, why India is called a diverse country, how people are different from each other, and why diversity is important for our country. So let's begin. What is diversity? First, let us understand the meaning of diversity. Diversity means differences among people. So, people may differ in language, food habits, clothes, festivals, religion, dance, music, traditions, and lifestyle. For example, some people speak Telugu, some people speak Hindi, some speak Tamil, some speak Bengali. Even though languages are different, all are Indians. Similarly, some people eat rice, some people eat chapati, some eat idli, some eat fish, and others are vegetarians. These differences together are called diversity. India is a land of diversity. So, India is called a land of diversity because many different types of people live here. India has different religions, different languages, cultures, traditions, etc. Every state has its own special culture. For example, Punjab is famous for Bhangra dance, Gujarat is famous for Garba, Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kuchipudi, Assam is famous for Bihu dance. Different festivals are celebrated in different regions: Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Pongal, Onam, Baisakhi, and many others. This makes India colorful and culturally rich. Why does diversity exist? Now, the question is, why are people different from each other? There are many reasons for diversity. First one is geography. Different places have different climates and landforms. For example, in cold regions like Ladakh, people wear woolen clothes. In hot places like Kerala, people wear light cotton clothes. Food also changes according to the climate. Second one is history. Many people from different countries came to India in the past. They brought their customs, traditions, food, and languages. Over time, this became part of Indian culture. Next one is occupation. People do different jobs depending on where they live. For example, coastal people may do fishing, farmers grow crops in villages, people in cities work in offices and industries. Because of these reasons, lifestyles become different. Example from the chapter: Life in Ladakh and Kerala. The chapter explains diversity using two places, that is Ladakh and Kerala. Ladakh is a cold desert in northern India. Features are very cold climate, snowfall, people wear heavy woolen clothes. Houses are made to protect from cold. People mainly eat meat, barley, and dairy products. Whereas in Kerala, it is a coastal state in southern India. Features are hot and humid climate, green forests, and backwaters. People wear light cotton clothes. Food includes rice, coconut, fish. So, climate and geography affect people's lifestyle. Diversity in religion and festivals. India is home to many religions. People follow Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, and others. Different religions' festivals are celebrated happily. For example, Hindus celebrate Diwali, Muslims celebrate Eid, Christians celebrate Christmas, Sikhs celebrate Guru Purab. People often participate in each other's festivals with joy and respect. So, even though people are different, India remains united. This is called unity in diversity. It means many different people but one united country. We respect each other's culture, religion, language, and traditions. The Indian Constitution gives equal rights to all citizens. No religion or language is considered superior. This unity makes India strong. So, what is the importance of diversity? Diversity is very important because we learn new cultures, we respect others, we become broad minded, we live peacefully together. Different traditions and ideas make society more beautiful and creative. If everyone were exactly the same, life would become boring. Diversity adds color and happiness to life. So, students, today we learn meaning of diversity, reasons for diversity, diversity in India, Ladakh and Kerala examples, unity in diversity, and importance of respecting differences. Always remember different people, different cultures, but one India. Thank you for watching. If this explanation helped you, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more NCRT and UPSC content. Thank you.